Hello friends, I'm trying to perform some repair surgery or exploratory surgery on my Westinghouse DWM40F1Y1. I took off all the screws of, well, there's a center plate that I took off. So I took off all the screws. As you see, that's probably about 2 dozen of 3 or 4 different types. So don't mix them up, and if you ever do this, don't mix them up and try to keep them in proper, segregated, which I have done. Well, let's see. Sorry. There's the model number. DWM40F1Y1. I had to unclip this. If you work at computers, you've seen this already. It kind of didn't want to come out, but this is actually the power supply for the power light, which is the only thing that works on this TV, is the power light. So I took off all the screws. I unpinched the power cord, which was over here. You pinch it, you unpinch it by pressing on this little lever. And I was looking at the caps. So I was wondering if you guys had any advice. I looked at this one, and there's a little bit of white stuff. And at first I thought that was leakage from the cap, and maybe it's bad. But this one has the same thing on the other side. So maybe it's some kind of thermal paste. This, do you see it? It's where I'm shining the flashlight. See the white stuff? Is that thermal paste? Something tells me, well, I was watching another YouTube video, and the guy said these are notorious for having a cap fail near the near a chip. And so that's what I was looking for. But I have a feeling I have to go down to the next level. And I'd have to take this one off. As you see, there's more screws to take off this board. So if you have any experience, I would certainly take a comment. There's the white paste on this one and this big one. Can you see it right there? There's a big bulge of white paste. Kind of strange. Maybe it is. That's unusual. Let me float the camera over. You see, there it is. That's white paste. Not supposed to be there. I don't know. Will you let me know? This right here. Some kind of hard pasty thing. Right there. And right here. That's more white paste. So is that a blown cap, or? So anyway, I wait your answers before I move forward. Thanks, guys and girls.